Adult diabetes. When people say adult diabetes, they're almost always referring to type 2 diabetes, which doesn't usually develop until after 40 years of age. Sadly, however, this so-called adult diabetes is now starting to show up in children as well as adults. Type 2 diabetes is a lifelong disease marked by high levels of sugar in the blood. It begins when the body does not respond correctly to insulin, a hormone released by the pancreas. Type 2 diabetes is a lifelong disease marked by high levels of sugar in the blood. It begins when the body doesn't respond correctly to insulin, a hormone released by the pancreas. Type 2 diabetes is the most common form of diabetes, making up more than 90% of diabetes cases. Type 2 diabetes usually occurs gradually. Most people with the disease are overweight at the time of diagnosis. However, type 2 diabetes can also develop in those who are thin, especially the elderly. Family history and genetics play a large role in type 2 diabetes. Low activity level, poor eating habits, and excess body weight, especially around the waist, significantly increase your risk for type 2 diabetes. You should be tested for diabetes if you're over 40, or you're overweight, or you have a family history of diabetes.
Attention! If you're on Medicare with diabetes, you may be eligible for an upgraded meter.
Results from testing my blood glucose were often wrong. I'd have to code my meter.
If you're on Medicare with diabetes, then you need to know about the newest methods for checking your blood glucose. You don't have to code your meter anymore, and you don't have to stab your fingers. These new no-code meters are easier to use and nearly painless.
This new method hurts less, and I don't have to code the test strips anymore.
No coding helps make testing faster and confirms accuracy. And the best news is, Diabetes Care Club will send you one of these new meters.
I called, got my no-code meter, now my fingers don't hurt anymore.
It's simple. Diabetes Care Club will deliver the latest technology right to your door for free. So call and find out why over 100,000 patients choose Diabetes Care Club.
Honey, you don't have to code anymore. Upgrade your meter and change the way you test now.
Living with diabetes is never simple, but together we can make managing it easier.